Have you ever seen a bird that looks strange, but is one of nature's greatest heroes? Meet the Marabou Stork. Its nickname is Undertaker because of its hunched posture and bald head. Hunched posture means it often stands with its body slightly bent forward. This giant African bird can grow over 1.5 meters tall, with an impressive wingspan of more than 3 meters.
In Tanzania, you can spot the Marabou Stork in Serengeti, Tarangire, Lake Manyara, Ruaha, Nyerere National Park, and the Ngorongoro Conservation Area.
The Marabou Stork is best known as nature's cleaner. It feeds on dead animals, helping keep the ecosystem healthy. But it's also a skilled hunter. It catches fish, frogs, lizards, rats, insects, and even snakes. Its bald head may look unusual, but it's the perfect adaptation for feeding on carcasses. The Marabou stork may not be Africa's most beautiful bird, but it is one of its most important, a true guardian of the wild. This means Marabou stork helps keep the ecosystem clean by feeding on dead animals. The hanging throat pouch is used mainly for courtship displays and communication. It is not used to store food. Explore Tanzania with peak climber safaris. Your enjoyment, our happiness.